Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work. As you guys can see, I had to clean off the desk for this. This is the Dibea D960 robotic vacuum cleaner. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here we have the Dibea D960 robotic vacuum cleaner, and as you guys could see, this is not a phone, but you know what, they asked me if I wanted to check it out, and I definitely wanted to see how these works because I always wanted one, so why not? So here's the box itself, guys. Pretty much some typical stuff. We got the branding there, and you have some information right there on the bottom. So it's the same thing on the back. There's nothing special there. You have a nice little handle here. So here's the box itself. You can pop this out. Alright. There you go. I'm gonna definitely need like another lens, but this is some wide angle action. Alright guys, so here is the product itself. Dibea. Right there, you got a cardboard box. Alright guys, so we have an instruction manual right over here. So I've been watching like a lot of videos about this, and hopefully I can set it up on the first try. And I will have some B-roll for you guys to actually show you how it's doing. But this is the unboxing for right now. So let's take the product out. Check this out, guys. This thing is pretty hefty too. There we go. Oh man, look at this. And we have a thing to. Wow, that's probably that's the biggest, but that's probably like the biggest thing I've ever seen that sound. Alright guys, so what you get inside the box is you get the little bristles that have to attach to the bottom of the product itself. And we do have this right here that is proper to clean it. And we have like the charging station right over here. And we have the remote control. And this should be like the battery. Maybe it's a battery, I'm not sure. So we have the charging cable adapter. So let's place everything to the side and let's see how this works. So we have the remote control here. So here's all the stuff, guys. We can definitely put this right out if you guys want to see all this stuff here. And we have the product itself right here. So how this works, you have to take this out, and you do have the air vent right here if you have to replace it, and it fits right there, and it's easy to actually clean it off. If you want to clean it off, you could do that. So you do get two. That's pretty cool. So you get two little things here that you attach. Just place it on there, and you place this right on here, and these are the bristles that actually clean, and it's able to actually pop off as well. So if you guys want to check this out, right here, you have almost like a squeegee effect right here, which is pretty cool. And you got your two wheels over here. You got the wheel right there as well. So, and you're able to take this out, but I'm not entirely sure, but I'm not going to take it out just yet. So here's the station itself, and you just have to put this onto the back of there and just plug it in, and you're able to actually put this around, no problem. So how this works is it actually goes by itself and it actually hooks back up after it's finished cleaning. But so here's the remote. Check this out, guys. Let's see if there's any batteries in it. Probably not. Takes double AAA batteries, which I do have a lot of. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do like a little montage of how this works, and we will definitely come back to the video. this out and see what it looks like here. So let's see if it picked up anything. So it has a lot of the cookie right over there. So you just have to pop that out. The filter. Let's see if there's any dirt on here. Alright. Alright, so how you open it is it does have a little open thing right over here. So you just pop that off. Just like that. And you have to dump everything in the trash. So if you guys want to buy this product, the link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Dibea products and more tech to come. So, to the next video, guys. Peace. And by the way, here's the power button. Later.